of Aquarius, the age of Aquarius.
Golden living dreams of visions,
Mystic crystal revelation, and the mind's true liberation. Aquarius, Aquarius.
oh come on, come on, come on, come on. Didn't I make you feel like you are the only man? Well, yeah, didn't I give you nearly everything that a woman possibly can? Honey, you know I did. And each time I tell myself that I think I've had enough, but what I'm gonna show you, baby, that a woman can be tough. I want you to come on, come on, come on, come on and take another little piece of my heart now, baby. Take another little bit of my heart now, yeah, yeah, yeah. Have another little piece of my heart now, baby. Well, you know you got it if it makes you feel good. Oh, yes, indeed.
You know the day destroys the night, night divides the day. Try to run, try to hide, break on through to the other side, break on through to the other side, break on through to the other side, yeah. We chased our pleasures here, dug our treasures there, but can you still recall the time we cried? Break on through to the other side, break on through to the other side.
Daddy started out in San Francisco, tooting on a trumpet loud and mean. Suddenly a voice said, "Go forth, Daddy, spread the picture on a wider screen." The voice said, "Daddy, there's a million pigeons waiting to be hooked on new religions. Hit the road, Daddy, leave your common law wife. Spread the religion of the rhythm of life." And the rhythm of life is a powerful beat, puts a tingle in your fingers and a tingle in your feet. Rhythm in your bedroom, rhythm in the street. Yes, the rhythm of life is a powerful beat. To feel the rhythm of life, to feel that powerful beat, to feel the tingle in your fingers, to feel the tingle in your feet. To feel the rhythm of life, to feel the powerful beat, and I'll tell you.
We're going hopping today, where things are popping, the Philadelphia way. We're gonna drop it, on all the music they play on the bandstand. We're going swinging, we're gonna swing in the crowd, and we'll be clinging, and floating high as a cloud. The phones are ringing, my mom and dad are so proud. I'm on bandstand, and I'll jump and hey, I may even show my handstand, because I'm on the American bandstand. When we dance real slow, I'll show all the guys in the grandstand what a swinger I am on American bandstand.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right. Got to know how to hold it.
say it one time. Na na na